So yesterday we talked about one of the first core beliefs of Untap My Potential brand, the beliefs that you need to adopt in order to truly tap into your full potential. And so the second belief, and I briefly mentioned this in yesterday's principle training, is the belief that you have an unlimited potential within, that you can be anything you want to be, that if somebody else has done it, because you have a nervous system, because you're a human being, you can also do that. But you need to adopt the habits and the beliefs that they had in order to achieve those things. You need to expand your beliefs in what you can do in order to achieve that full potential being an infinite possibility. So once you have that mindset, once you understand that you can do anything, that you can become anything, then you start to realize that anything is learnable. And there's ways that some people learn faster than others, and there's ways that we all learn. And these are the things that I want to tease out and start to bring to your attention over the next couple weeks. Is I want you to show that you can scale your learning abilities. You can learn faster, better, and more efficiently with these specific tools, with these techniques, and changing your chemistry, changing your mindset, your belief system. And that's why the first and most important thing I want to talk about are the core beliefs. These things that we can give the context to what you're going to be able to do all depends on what you believe is possible. So we need to start shifting our belief into this unlimited potential, this belief that is our responsibility. And once we have those core beliefs built in, you can really achieve anything you want to as soon as you start to learn some of these special techniques to optimize your growing curve. And we'll continue to go in through all these things, but right now we need to really reset our mind and start thinking about how possible it is to become anything that we want to be. So one thing I want you to do right now, just a little quick exercise in your head, is to think of a time when you did something that either somebody told you was impossible or that you at one point believed you couldn't do or was impossible for you to do. And just think back to that, like that feeling of, man, I can't do this. Like I would never be able to do that. And then when you actually do it, it clicks that, wow, I'm capable of learning. I'm capable of doing some incredible things. And maybe it's these first interactions of disbelief that we need to eliminate and move past. And just start to realize that you've beaten impossible before, and then you reset your mind of what was now possible. So some things you used to think were so incredibly difficult, so hard, maybe learning to play an instrument or learning a language, and then you think and you trained for it and you became it, and all of a sudden you now can do those things you once thought were so difficult. So I want to leave you with that last thought, that belief in your potential, that belief in that unlimited potential within you. And then we'll make this week one of our best weeks possible.